Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be making a chocolate box using this KScraft die from AliExpress. I'm going to have a link to it down below. I've been waiting for this to come in and I'm so excited, and I know some people are probably going to ask how you put it together. So, let's talk about that, guys. So here are the pieces that you get. You're going to need to cut out 2 of these. Okay, so you got 2 of those. Then with one of those square layering pieces that come with the die set, if you want to make a little window, you could cut out a little window from it. So that's what I did here. And I'm actually going to put acetate on the back of this to, make it a cute little window thing. And I might make it a shaker. So I got my acetate right here. But yeah, it's just 2 pieces and then the little window. Then you're going to need to cut out one of these pieces, and this is going to be your little lid. So I got that right here. Then you're also going to need to cut out, for your layering pieces, you could either do just a rectangle. You could literally measure what size you need and do it that way. But it does come with this fancy layering piece as well. That's got the cute little hearts around it. So I cut out this one, and I'm doing a Halloween one. And I also cut out this one. So I'm going to put one on the outside and one on the inside of the box. And that's pretty much it. Then I got some other pieces that I want to put on the thing. These are just cut aparts from the Hey Pumpkin collection, but that's all you're going to need. So one of these, 2 of these with a little window if you want a shaker, or if you want a little acetate window. And that's what we are going to put together. So again, I will have the link to this die set down below. And this is something I'm going to be using often because I do like to give chocolate in Happy Mail. And then it also comes with this that says Candy Kiss. You could put this on the front, you could put it on the inside. I'm not using this because I'm gonna have the Keep Calm and Eat Candy on the inside, and I'm gonna have a Trick or Treat on the outside of my box. And I'm hoping that this works because I'm putting this candy on the inside, and I'm thinking it's gonna fit. It looks like it's going to fit. I just hope that the height is there for this to fit in there. And I'm going to cut out my acetate window, and then I'm also going to do some stitching. So let me get my ruler, and I'm also going to stitch around these pieces and my layering pieces and stuff. But let me get this. So this is about, let's cut out a 2 1/4 by 6, and let's do 6 and maybe 1/8. So 2 1/4 by 6 1/8. That is what I'm gonna cut my acetate to be. So I got this piece of acetate, and I said 6 1/4. Hold on, guys. Let me make this side straight. I was cutting into this yesterday. They're just, this is now a acetate scrap, so I always just go back to it when I can. But anyway, 6 1/4 by 2 1/8. Okay, so 6 1/4, and I'm gonna cut about here because it says 2 inches, so about there. And then I'll turn this and I'll put 2 1/8 right here. And I'll go down to 6 1/4. And then I'll just cut that. So I still have all this, the rest of the acetate that I could use for another project. So this is gonna be my little acetate window. Oh, I wanted to do a shaker, right? That means I need to cut 2 of these. Let me cut another one. All right, once again, 6 1/4. Okay, I still got more acetate left, but this should be the same size now. All right, that's good. So what I'm gonna do is start stitching this onto here on the inside of the box. So I'll put this behind it, and I'm gonna start stitching, and then I'll put in my shaker element piece before I completely stitch it shut. And I'm just gonna use a Hey Pumpkin mix that I created, so that will just go into my little shaker mix. So I will be right back, and I'm gonna do that. Okay guys, so I stitched around this with like that zigzag stitch, and it's a shaker. Doesn't move that much because I have like a really thick acetate. Then I also stitched on this, and I stitched this kind of trim to the back of it, and this trim is from Kayla. She was actually selling some on her Instagram, KarolinasKrafts830. This is what it looks like. You get a whole bunch of like that, you know, fun trim. So I just stuck that behind here, and I stitched that to the paper. Then I stitched around this, just like the regular stitch around here. Same thing with here. And then same thing with this one. And I stitched this to like a backing, like orange, because this is going to be on here on the inside. And I wanted you to be able to like see it. So I needed like a background layer piece. Anyway, okay, so what we're going to do now is start putting this together. I don't really know how this works, so we're figuring this out together, guys. But I'm guessing that this goes something. Wait a second. I don't even think I needed to cut out this twice. I think you'd be fine cutting this out twice. Yeah, guys, I think you'd be fine cutting this out twice instead of this one. So what I'm gonna do is just cut this one up a little bit. Cut out the other piece twice, not this one. Okay guys, so I'm cutting this one up to be the same as the other one. Sorry guys, first time putting this together, so I'm learning, and then you guys get to know what not to do. Okay, so this is how I think it goes now. Oh no, I should have left this on here. I'm so confused. Okay guys, I take it back. I'm gonna cut out another one of these pieces, and I'm gonna cut out these side pieces, but I'm gonna leave that tab piece, so I shouldn't have cut that off. Okay guys, I cut out another one of these. I didn't worry about this. I was just using a scrap paper, so I didn't care if this was completely cut out or not, because that's what we're cutting off. I'm pretty sure we don't need this. Maybe I should just leave it for now. I'm trying to like figure out how to put this box together, but it's fine. You guys will know what to do. So, I don't get why this is here. You don't want to close this off completely. Okay guys, so you do need both sides because you need something, and you want the full piece actually, because you want something to attach to this piece, because this is gonna lay on top. So we had it right the first time. You do want both pieces, and you want them cut fully, but since I didn't cut mine fully, we are going to figure this out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is stick this down to my base right here, like that. And I'm just gonna be using some art glitter glue. It's like sometimes we get these dies and then, you know, we don't know how to put it together. So videos like this are helpful, in my opinion, to teach us how to put it together. Just don't do what I did, guys. Make sure you watch the whole video first. Okay, so I'm just lining this up on the edge, and I'm gonna stick that down. Okay, because you want this to kind of fold around the other way. So that's what you want. Then you're gonna glue this other side to that. Oh, wait a second. We don't need both of these pieces. Oh my goodness. Yay. Okay, this is good, guys. This is good. So you don't need both pieces. So you're actually going to cut off one of these, depending on how you want your box to open. So you know what? We're not going to glue this shut, but I'm going to cut this off. Not this other tab piece, because you need that to fold in. But then they could still open it from both sides. So I'm going to have mine open from the top. This is good, guys. This is good. Okay, so it's going to go like this, and then these are going to fold in, and these are going to tuck in. Yay! Okay, this is working out real good now. So I'm going to fold these pieces just so that I have them already folded and I'm not struggling with that later. Same thing with this piece. So I'm going to put glue on here now, and we're going to stick this to the top layer. So this is going to go like this, and that's just going to attach. I'm trying to hold it with my finger on the inside as much as I could. Oh, you know what? Look, you could move this over. If you have this, okay, because we're not keeping it in the box shape just yet. I mean, we will, but right now we could actually just stick this down flat. So if we fold that in, you'll be able to stick it down. This works out real good. And just use your bone folder. Make sure that's creased really good, because I do have that acetate piece on the inside. And if you do too, you're gonna need that creased real good. And you could fold this the other way now too, and just, yeah, this is good, guys. I'm glad we were able to figure this out together. Okay, so that's our box. I don't think this is fitting in there. Oh my goodness, this has to be like a flat treat. But anyway, so now you put these tabs in and you're able to fold this inside there. And it's better for me to have this on the flap piece on the top, because otherwise if I had it on the bottom, it might be hitting the acetate as I'm trying to put this in. So this actually worked out. Look how cute. And then for the top piece, you're gonna have this just attaching to here, and then it could open up. And it's like, hello, here's a treat for you. So cute. Okay, before I do that, I'm gonna stick down my layering pieces, because they're gonna be easier for me to stick down now, and then use a bone folder to help stick it down. So I'm just gonna put my glue here. Okay, and then I'm also gonna stick this on here, and this is gonna add a little bit of dimension, just like that. Maybe I should add like a rosette behind it. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I think, add this rosette right behind here. It's just a little bit. So I'll add that down first. This is just one I had made and I have in my stash. And again, I was running out of hot glue, because when am I not running out of hot glue? Okay, and I want that sticking out a little bit, just like that. I'm also wondering if I should put it like some eyelash trim behind that. I feel like I need some more love. So I'm gonna stick down some eyelash trim right here. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do it on the top and the bottom. So I'll cut this off, and then I'll do another one on the bottom. And I didn't stitch this on completely. So I'm sticking that down a little and I'm gonna add more glue for my eyelash trim. Okay, and then I'll cut that piece off. Okay, super cute, guys. And then I'll stick this down like that. I think that looks better. And actually, I'm just gonna put glue onto my rosette. And I'll stick this down. Now I could glue this down onto here. Oh, wait, no. Oh my goodness, I shouldn't have done that. Guys, you didn't tell me I was supposed to put this on the inside first. Okay, so I'm sticking this down. Do this before you decorate, guys. It's my piece of advice because I can't really get in there with my bone folder. But anyway, I'm gonna put this piece right here that says keep calm and eat candy. This is just gonna be flat because this is on the inside of my box now. Oh, that's upside down. Let's not do that. Careful. So this is gonna go like this. Okay. And I meant to have this on this side, but oops, stuck it down wrong. But anyway, then this is gonna get stuck down right here. So I'm gonna put glue all over this. And this is just gonna go right here. Isn't this so cute, guys? And look, it just opens right back up. And then you'll be able to like see your treat on the inside. I don't think mine fits, but we could try it. Okay, so it does, but it doesn't. It pushes all the sides up, which I could still leave it like this because it's still cute. Actually, I think I might actually just leave it like that. So this is what it looks like. And then on the inside, you got a treat. She'll take it out. She'll see the shaker. But again, my treat is a little too big, but it's okay. It's so cute, guys. All right, guys, so that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it helped you figure out how to use this die, and I will have it linked down below for you guys as well. And I will be making more of these because that was super fun. It's so easy once you know how to do it, which now we do, right, guys? All right, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.